have with us Miss Universe Karnataka, Avni, and we will ask her what is her experience in winning this competition and let us know about her future projects and everything. Hello, ma'am. कैसे हैं आप?
Hello, I'm feeling great. How are you?
I am really fine. So first and foremost, what made you to come here at this point, and what was your role model in your life?
Well, I'm a classical dancer, and being on stage gives me so much happiness. The moment I come on stage, everything else just cuts off. I just feel me, my presence, and my performance. I don't feel anything else, and I try to radiate that energy out. And I'm a stage baby. So that is why I wanted to try pageants. And the very fact that we get to shell out our opinion, be whoever you are, and embrace who you are is why pageants are so close to my heart. And I want to bring back the Miss Universe crown to India.
So, how did you come across this Miss Universe pageant here, and how tough was the competition, basically?
Well, Miss Universe India is the most famous pageant in India, in my opinion. And how tough was the competition? Well, the entire Karnataka was eyeing for this crown. So it was quite a challenge, but end of the day, pageants are about who you are, how you embrace yourself, and how you perform. And I think I did great, which is why you see the result here.
So, in everyone's life, so some are the other persons from our childhood, or else our parents, or else our friends,
Yeah.
will support us
Right.
for our destiny and everything.
Yes.
So, who are you firstly in your life?
Well, my mother is my backbone. So she was here yesterday, my mother and my grandmother as well. My grandmother witnessed her first pageant here. And having her in my life as a mother and as a friend has influenced me to become who I am. She's a very independent and a strong woman. So she's given me that limelight. She's told me how to behave, how to portray yourself, and how to bring out the art in me. I'm a classical dancer, right? I'm a classical dance teacher as well. I've performed at the Ambani wedding that happened very
Oh,
recently. I've
great.
performed with Srimati Neeta Ambani as well. So she's asked me to always portray the classical side in me. And even Prachi ma'am, our state director, has influenced me in a great way for this pageant. She's told me to embrace who I am and not become somebody else. So all of this influences every small person in my life is the reason I am here today. My parents, my gurus in dance, in music, in every art form. And my first pageant twin was India's Miss TGPC. Mr. Deepak and Serena ma'am have been a great influence in my pageant journey, and I will thank them from the bottom of my heart.
So, I think you are from all parts of pageant side, right?
Yes.
So, and after this, so everybody has some future ideas and future goals to become. So, what is your future idea to become, and what is your goal?
Yesterday was Guru Purnima, right? And I won on such an auspicious day. Being a dance teacher, I could not really meet my students and give them my wishes or meet all of my gurus and take blessings from them. But having won on such an auspicious day, I know for a fact that I have started my journey on this day and get all the blessings that I need from all the gurus that I will come across. And my future plan is to work on myself, work on how I look, the way I am, and introspect a little, because pageants are about who you are. And right now I have my own dance school called Trai School of Fine Arts, and I want to inculcate the 64 Shastras of our culture, which is being lost right now. So I want to inculcate that and teach that to everybody who comes across me. And I'm also an entrepreneur. I'm an aerospace engineer. So I will be doing entrepreneurship development program, and I've spoken to the MP of Bangalore South, Mr. Tejasvi Surya, about it, and he has also joined hands with me. So I'm excited for this new project that I have started.
So, you are like an all-in-one, right?
Yes, I am an all-in-one. That is why I'm a pageant winner.
So, it's very nice talking to you, and congratulations once again. And I hope you'll achieve your goals in the future.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Hyderabad, for accepting Karnataka so well. You have been so warm and you have not made me feel any different from anybody else. I am really grateful to you. Thank you, Hyderabad. And I will come back soon and this has been a great journey, and you're my lucky city.
Being a winner here and a foodie.
Yeah.
So, what kind of a food diet you just maintain, and what is your favorite food from Karnataka and also from Hyderabad?
Well, I am a foodie, but I know what kind of food to take because I'm also a fitness instructor at Cult. And my favorite food from Karnataka would be the neer dosai from the coastal region of Karnataka, which is where I was born, Mangalore. It is a very it is a very soft dosa which goes with chutney and coconut, and it's very yum. And what I like in Hyderabad, well, let me think, biryani, but vegetarian biryani.
So,
Thank
you
you.
eat completely veg.
Yeah, I am a complete vegetarian.
Thank you so much.
Guys, if you're interested in business, you should know that Highways is the only business platform online that talks about digital business. So please like, comment, share, and stay tuned for more updates.
Like, comment, and subscribe to Hybiz TV.
Hi, this is the only business channel in India. Do like, share, and subscribe.
Please like, share, subscribe, and follow Hybiz TV.
Please like, comment, subscribe, and share Hybiz TV.